I just wanna ball making plays.
Hey y'all, and welcome to another video. So I'm trying this thing where I'm daily vlogging just to see if it's even worth daily vlogging or if it's worth putting into longer videos and figuring out a schedule for my channel. But I really don't want to do a schedule because I know I'm not gonna follow through with it. But to kick off from yesterday's vlog, I put my desk up. I'm waiting on my stand today. So you guys will see me put the stand up and then kind of organize that area over there the way that I want it to. My mom is on her way into town now to come and pick up the desk. And I am actually heading out to Dunkin. And then probably after Dunkin, I'm gonna run over to McDonald's just to grab some breakfast. So it is really cold out here, and it is definitely setting the tone for whatever in the world it is gonna do tomorrow. My area is apparently supposed to get 2 to 4 inches, but then I think it changed to 2 to 5 inches. So I don't know, we shall see. But just have an iced coffee on my mind at the moment, and I don't feel like making it at home. I want to use my gift card for that, and then like I said, head back home, wait on my mom, and enjoy the rest of my day. So y'all seen that Charles's best friend was over the house last night, and man, when they get together, they are loud. They talk about everything. And I think I took his friend home around like almost 1:30 in the morning. But you know, remind you, he's like a brother to me, so I don't mind. I'm tired. I am tired. But anyways, like I said, I'll see you guys at Dunkin. Good morning. Can I just get 2 medium French vanilla iced lattes?
2 medium iced vanilla latte.
Yes.
Okay.
That's it for me.
All right, give me 11.77.
Thank you. All right, y'all. So I done came across the street to McDonald's real quick. You know, because they got good breakfast sometimes. I don't know about all that. All right, so I got Charles a steak, egg, and cheese bagel. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. And then I got Sky a strawberry banana smoothie. I know that she would love that for breakfast. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, they treating these roads like it's really gonna do something. I'm really curious to see what's gonna happen tomorrow into Monday. So it looks like they put some stuff down at the gas station. Like I said, we shall see. So I am gonna head back home, eat my breakfast, get the table gone, sit around and wait on freaking Amazon to come and bring the shelf. Put that together eventually. Until then, to the house where it's warm I go. Alright y'all, so the table is gone. Table is gone. Well, desk is gone. Now, like I said, I'm just waiting on my shelf. So my idea for today, so this is what I have so far right now. But my idea for today is to put the shelf right here and then figure out how I want my desk. I want to be able to sit and watch TV. Working on getting clothes. Sky's going through her clothes. So we give her clothes to her book buddy at school, because I went to school with her mom and I was her best friend. So it's really cool to see the friendship between the two of them now, especially when Sky's in 4th grade and the little girl's in 1st grade. So really holds near and dear to my heart. But anyways, yeah, now it's like a waiting game with Amazon to figure out what's what. So I'm gonna go put this big box in the trunk for trash. And then, yeah, all the rest of the stuff is still in Cam's room until I figure out what it is I really want to do with it. I've been really trying to stay off of social media because all that is popping up on my feed is the New Orleans situation. Let me just say that all of that is just, it's terrifying, it's sad. It makes my heart just like, to know that someone would do something like that. You know, like as a mom, I'm overprotective of my kids. Like my coworkers knows it, my boss knows it, my family knows it. If you, I can't. So I really just been trying to stay off of there because I feel like it makes me emotional that those people had to go through that. And because of that, now Charles is like, you can't go. You know what, Charles? At the end of the day, like Master P said, this is a, you know what, I'm just gonna let him say it.
Here, standing up for our people. We on Bourbon Street in New Orleans. We gonna bounce back, and it's nothing but love out here, showing that Bourbon Street is opening back up, and the love that's out here is incredible, because this evil act that happened, they can't stop what God's plan is, because God gonna make something evil.
Alright, so we're gonna play taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza. Let's see. The objective of the game is to get rid of all of your cards and be the first to slap your hand on the central pile of cards when you see a match or a special card appear. To set up, you shuffle them, distribute all the cards evenly among the players, face down. Players must not look at their cards while placing them in a draw pile in front of them, face down. How to play: the person to the dealer's left puts a card in the center, face up, saying taco. The player on their left then puts the card face up on top of the previous card while saying cat. Play continues in this way, going taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza, taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza, until the following happens. The card that has just been put down matches the word that's said by the player. If they put down a pizza while saying pizza, then all players must slap their hands on top of the pile of cards in the center, and the last player to do so takes the entire pile and puts them at the bottom of their pile. You ready? Yeah. Y'all, we just sit here still playing, eventually. Still waiting on my shelf.
Hey guys, so you remember when they started the trend of they're the frozen gummy bears? I made them, and they're not done yet, because what I did was I got the bowl, put the gummy bears in them, and then I put the Sprite, and then we're gonna wait overnight and then do the rest.
We'll see. All right, y'all, so we're gonna make some crab Ragoon Wontons. All you need is the crab meat, some green onions, a cream cheese bar, and then some garlic powder, some soy sauce, and then the wonton wrappers. You can also choose to have the sweet and sour sauce if you would like. I went ahead and chopped up a whole bunch of the green onions because all you need is just this one. So you cut them up really, really small, and they should make a good abundance of green onions. Next, I went ahead and I'm gonna chop up the crab meat. This is just the imitation crab, and this is just something that I'm gonna chop up really, really fine. So I started off by cutting bigger pieces, but then once I cut up the bigger pieces, I'm just gonna chef it up and make it into tiny little pieces. Sort of like this. So the crab meat will look like that, and then you'll go ahead in with your cream cheese bar. I highly would recommend that you guys let this sit out for a couple hours to get room temperature. You then go in with half a cup of the imitation crab meat. If you would like to add more, you totally can. Go in with half a teaspoon of that garlic powder, and then you need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. And then I just threw in the green onions. This is my first time making this. I really hope that they turn out good. Maybe not like the restaurant, but it is what it is. So I have the plant-based wonton wrappers. You easily can make anything with these wrappers, like a little apple pie treats, or cream cheese wontons. So what I ended up doing was just getting a bowl of water, and I've tried 2 different designs with this. So I try to make it triangular like the one that I get from the Chinese restaurant, which was really hard because they were a little bit smaller. So the next time that I do plan on doing this, I definitely will use the regular egg roll ones. That way I can fill more with them. So I tried to do it like a football shape, like a paper football shape, and then I tried to do it like the regular wontons that some other Chinese restaurants do. Fried them up in oil. You literally like fry them for about 3 minutes. And then I just had a paper towel ready to grab these out, drained all the oil so that way it could also be absorbed into the paper towel. So I have these here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that sweet and sour sauce like I bought from Food Lion. I really thought that this would be like the lighter pink one with the little white seeds in it, but it's cool. Meanwhile, my stand came, so therefore I'm gonna get ready to put that together once I finish up with these cheese wontons. And let me just say, they definitely did look great. Honestly, y'all, they're not bad. They don't taste like the ones that I normally get from the Chinese spot I go to, but it is what it is. The sauce is not like your regular sweet and sour sauce like they give you with it, but I got leftovers. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap those up and just put them in a bag, freeze them. All right, y'all, so the shelf came in the middle of me prepping up the crab cheese wontons. So anyways, I wanted to go ahead and get ready to jump right into it to get this put up so that I can go ahead and get my area back together the way that I would like. So I went ahead and pulled everything out, read the instructions thoroughly, and I finally just did it. It was done, I would say, probably within 20-30 minutes. I just had to make sure that I was doing it right. Everything was screwed in tightly and correctly. So if you like this shelf once it is put together, the link is in my description box down below. This shelf right here was at a good price, and I definitely wanted something that was gonna come at a good time because I wanted to get my area back up and together before I needed to go to work. So with me needing to go back to work 3 days after putting this up, I wanted to make sure that it was done. My idea for this is just to put some things on the shelf, such as like books, and then my Cricut machine, my charging station for my Apple Watch and my iPhone. And I also wanted to just have something to put stuff on behind me with the way that I want to set up